it's interesting to see a Union Pacific for once. Wow. Hey guys, Mike Carpenter here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm in North Richland and checking out some of these spurs that run into these businesses, and I've happened to have found one that has some reefers on it and some pretty interesting graffiti. I don't know how close I can get to it. I've got a telephoto lens, so at least I can get get some kind of either photos or video from that. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This is a great place to see reefers and train riding. They parked cars there for extended periods of time. My dilemma is that it's not marked. There's no trespassing signs, which is kind of weird because the whole entire region has no trespassing, chain link fences, razor wire, no matter where you go. This is the only place that doesn't have that. And I really don't have anywhere to hide. There's businesses on both sides of the rails, and on the north side especially, there's like a 180-degree view, and it's completely flat. And so I really don't have anywhere to run or to hide. And also the track, there's a track that runs alongside these cars, and it's a dirt track. It looks like it's well used, like maybe somebody drives up and down it quite a bit. So that's a concern. I really do want to take a camera and shoot video walking up and down the line of cars. I'm probably going to do it in the future and just play dumb. I don't think they'll arrest me, probably just kick me off the property. That's kind of what happened over there at the Pasco train yard. And after that, then at least I know, what the whether it's no trespassing or not. No. So I tried to photograph those right there, those reefers, but they're too far out there. And they're preferred freezer services. I go down to that parking lot, but they have got it all marked as no trespassing. So okay, so here's where I started. Pretty good shot there, looking down the line. This car way out there, that black one, I think I've seen that one before. It's black with white writing on it. Wish I could go out there, but I've seen like security trucks going around here, so I think that's out. Of course, I'm on a dirt road, so I'm bouncing all over the place. These are pretty good here. I like those. Those were like, sunlit and very vibrant looking. So let's get turned around here. Okay. Back here, this preferred freezer services. I've got cars right there, but I can't get in there. Of course, you can see the no trespassing sign, of course. they had some pretty interesting stuff back there. I was looking at them with binoculars. Okay, let's keep moving. Oh, that's interesting. Wow. Oh, look at those reefers. Wow. Well, it's interesting to see a Union Pacific for once. Wow. Wonder where this guy's going. Probably down there to that refrigerated services. Wow, I like that right there. Looks like a cow or something. Wow, this was just, I just happened upon this accidentally. I have to say, that's a pretty good find. I wonder where this guy's going. Oops. Okay, well, I didn't expect to see that. I just kind of came upon it by accident over here at the Port of Benton, just checking things out, and absolutely was surprised to see that train. And the nice thing, it was moving really slow, so we got a good look at the graffiti on it, or the train writing on it. Hey guys, okay, well, I think I'm gonna let you go. I tried to find that, I tried to track that train down that we saw just a little bit ago, but it's in an area here in North Richland where there's a lot of different like paths that it can take, so it's pretty hard to try to second guess where it's going to go. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like. Otherwise, share and subscribe. Next week, I'm going to be at the Burlington Northern Santa Fe train yard in Pasco, so we'll see a whole bunch of train riding there, and I will see you then.